Hello everyone, welcome to the class. I am Charanjit here from California Public School. Today we are going to discuss about the project. Students, in your syllabus there are 3 projects that you have to complete, and in the first term, that is midterm, in your midterm the project 1 that you have to complete. In this project you have to create an Excel sheet to calculate the total of the marks of all the students of your class and find out the minimum and maximum marks in each subject. For that you have to do this project work on your computer system also, but some students have no computer system at their home, so that's why I am showing you a video to download an Excel app so that you can do your project work very easily. Students, for Excel app you have to go to the Play Store, that is here, and open the Play Store. After that you have to search here, so type MS Excel Sheet app for mobile. What you have to type? MS Excel Sheet for mobile. Then there are so many apps are there for Excel sheets, but you have to select this. That has the name Microsoft Excel Create and Edit. Please take the screenshot of this symbol. That is from the Microsoft Corporation. Select this and then you have to install it. I have already installed, so that's why here is option open and uninstall. Now I am opening it. Then after the opening you have to select this plus and you have to select the blank workbook. So see students, here is same Excel sheet as you see in the computer. How we can type here? Just double click on this cell and type here like name. Next cell, double click, father's name. Next cell, subject, Hindi, Punjabi, English, and you can write any number of subjects here that you have. Then write here the name of the student, Charanjit, father name, suppose Rajbir Singh. Then you have to type here the marks for the subject that you got out of 100. Suppose 70, 80, 85. And same here you can type each and every subject and enter their marks. Yes, after the entering the marks, then I want to type here the total. Yes, so here to enter the formula in this app, how you can enter the formula? Click on this arrow. Yes, and see here there is a home like as you see in the computer. So click on the home. See here beta, in the computer system all the tabs are on the top, but here all the tabs are here. Select the formulas. See here auto sum, select this arrow, then select the sum. See here sum formula is there, then you have to type the range. So for range I have to type C2, then colon 2E2. Enter. See here there is a total of all the subjects. Same way you can calculate the percentage of that numbers. Yes, then minimum marks किस सब्जेक्ट में उसके कितने मार्क्स हैं? For that I am taking here the min formula. Go to the AutoSum, select the min. Yes, range is automatically selected. C2 F2, then done. Yes, 70 is the minimum marks. Yes, after that, like this beta, you can create the project that is given to you. In that project, you have to just enter the name, roll number and marks of the some students, then take their total of that marks and find the minimum and maximum marks scored in each subject. Yes, after that, whenever the work is done, firstly select this and write your roll number, suppose 25, then write your name, then write your section. Yes, then see here the name is changed. Yes, then after completing this project you can share it to me by just click on this share as attachment. You can share it to me as workbook and as well as PDF also, depends upon your choice. Yes, इसकी PDF भी शेयर हो सकती है डायरेक्ट एंड ये एज इट इज़ भी शेयर हो जाएगा. वर्कबुक कर रही हूँ मैं शेयर, देन सेलेक्ट द व्हाट्सएप एंड देन यू नो select my contact number and send it to me. That's all students. You have to download this app and do your project work as given to you. So you have to send this project work to me. Thank you.